Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the image you want and opening Windows settings quickly. Right-click an empty desktop area or press Win+I, then choose Personalization. Make sure the image file is accessible on desktop, pictures, or a connected drive, and that your account has permission to modify settings. Once done, navigate directly to Background. This gets you out of menus and into the right pane where the actual wallpaper options live, so you can pick or browse without interruption and avoid accidental file placement errors. Now choose Background and decide the type. Picture for one image, slideshow for rotating images, or solid color for simplicity. Click Browse to select your file, then set the fit option, fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, or span, because each affects cropping and resolution differently. If you have multiple monitors, make sure to pick the desired display or apply a span across screens. Adjust timing for slideshows and review preview thumbnails so the wallpaper appears crisp and positioned as you intended. Finish by confirming the change. Settings usually saves automatically, but you can close the window to verify the desktop updated. If the wallpaper appears blurry or cropped, use the original image resolution or try a different fit option to preserve clarity. If nothing changes, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager or check display scaling and multiple display settings. Incorrect scale can prevent proper rendering. As a last resort, sign out and back in or reboot. These steps usually resolve permission or caching issues preventing the new wallpaper.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.